In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if you're eligible to access the Facebook Marketplace. It's a feature that allows users to buy and sell items within their local communities, and it's a fantastic tool for finding deals and reaching potential buyers effortlessly. First things first, before diving into Marketplace, it's crucial to ensure you're eligible. To start, you need to be at least 18 years old. This is a basic eligibility requirement set by Facebook to ensure a safe and mature trading environment. Being in a country where Marketplace is supported is also essential. Facebook's Marketplace is a localized service, and unfortunately it's not available everywhere. So make sure that Marketplace is operational in your region to avoid unnecessary effort. Your account status plays a significant role too. It's important that your Facebook account be real and active. This means it shouldn't be brand new or restricted. New or compromised accounts might not be trusted on the platform, which can lead to limited access to certain features like Marketplace. Be sure to use an account that has been actively participating on Facebook, engaging with friends, and following community standards. If you meet the eligibility criteria, it's time to access Marketplace directly. If you're on a web browser like Chrome, simply head over to facebook.com/marketplace to explore the feature. If you prefer using the Facebook app on your mobile device, open the Facebook app and tap the Marketplace icon. This icon looks like a shop symbol and is located either at the bottom or the top of the menu, depending on your device or app version. Navigating here will lead you straight into the world of buying and selling opportunities. Sometimes users might not find the Marketplace icon where they expect it. In such cases, updating your Facebook app could resolve this issue. Visit either the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices and check for any available updates for the Facebook app. Keeping the app updated ensures you have access to the latest features and bug fixes that Facebook rolls out. If the Marketplace still doesn't appear after updating, uninstalling and then reinstalling the app may solve the problem. Additionally, it's wise to inspect the quality of your Facebook account. You can do this by visiting facebook.com/account quality. Here, you will be able to check if your access to Marketplace has been disabled due to any policy violations. If for some reason your access is restricted, there should be an option to request review. By selecting this, you can appeal to Facebook to restore your access to Marketplace, provided the issue was a misunderstanding or a minor infraction. With these steps, you should be able to confirm your eligibility and access the Marketplace with ease. Happy buying and selling, everyone!